5 common beginner fitness mistakes I really want you to stop doing. Please? 1. Always waiting. Waiting for Monday, waiting for the first of the month, waiting for New Year, waiting for your workout clothes to come in. If you're waiting to start your fitness journey, you can always start now by starting slow. If you had a little bump in your routine and you missed a couple days, you don't have to wait until Monday to resume the whole thing. Don't write off your whole week, don't write off your whole month. Get back on your horse and keep going. 2. Having the all or nothing mentality. Things like, the gym is closed, I'm not gonna work out for 3 months, or I'm too busy, I no longer have a full hour to work out, so I won't do anything at all today. It doesn't have to be all or nothing. Do what you can with what you have. 3. Over-motivating yourself. The night before you can't sleep because you're so hyped for tomorrow's workout, you've been watching a lot of videos, you're planning it. When you wake up, that motivation is gone, you're no longer excited, you're wondering why, now the workout sucks. Don't get high on motivation. Motivation is temporary, it comes and it goes. Don't live off it. Rather, find your why. Why is this so important to you? And be disciplined to follow through every day. We're adults, we have responsibilities, this is one of them. 4. Expecting fast results. Don't step on your scale every single day. You're not going to see the results that you want. Things take time, so you're just going to have to be patient. 5. Slowly letting it slip until you completely give up. You start off working 7 days a week, then it goes down to 5, then 4, then 3, then once every 2 weeks, then once a month. That means you didn't create a solid enough routine that's compatible with your lifestyle. You didn't create something that's sustainable. Be realistic, create something that works for you, and embed it as part of your routine. A strong daily routine is the recipe to success. Don't feel bad if you're making those mistakes. I've made them myself. But be aware of them, and if you are making those mistakes, try to make some adjustments. You got this.